Hello friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to start my plant video with this beautiful bougainvillea plant. Look at it. It has flowers here and there, but hardly any leaves, just 2 or 3 leaves in the whole plant. And this is my first bougainvillea plant to bloom this season. See how gorgeous the flowers look. Just a minute. This is how it looks. It's a beautiful plant, but I have one sad news, that is I lost one bougainvillea plant during this monsoon. Now this is my syngonium, again a beautiful vibrant looking plant, and which can be kept indoors as well. This is how it looks right now. Now let's move ahead to my beautiful cryptanthus. It's all red in color. The autumn sun must be helping it to color up. It's looking vibrant red because during the monsoons I had not seen it color up so much. Now moving on to my painted lady, or the pink panther. This is how it looks. The autumn sun is also helping it to color up. Everywhere I can see tiny roots ready for propagation. See, look at it. Such a delicate plant, but a beautiful one. You can put it in hanging pots as well. That is going to look just wonderful. Now let's move on to my succulent. This is the Fred Ives. This is one of the beginners friendly succulent. It's a very hardy plant. There I can see a new baby plant. It's a hardy plant, and if you are a beginner, if you want to start off with succulent, Fred Ives is the one you should go for, because if you buy succulents and if it keeps dying, that becomes very disappointing. So we can start off with Fred Ives, and it's a wonderful plant. Now this is my Kalanchoe variegator. Look at it coloring up. The sun, the autumn sun is helping it color up. Look at the margins of the leaf. It is turning light pink. And oh my god, you look so pretty among the greens. This is also my Kalanchoe variegator, which the leaf almost has turned pink. It's a beautiful, beautiful plant, again for the beginners. Now this is my English ivy. After a lot of hiccups, it has grown, and I had got this tiny plant from Rosa last year. It's almost a year old. Now moving on to my newly planted pothos. This is the neon pothos. I think 2 months back I had taken some cuttings during the rainy season of this neon pothos and the marble queen pothos, and put them into individual pots, and this is how they look right now. They look so healthy and beautiful. And the best part about money plants or pothos is that you can place it anywhere, in your kitchen, on your dining table, in your living room. It can just brighten up the space. It makes the space look very, very happy. And this is my neon pothos. I have about, I think, 5 different varieties of pothos. This is the neon pothos, the marble queen pothos. I have the enjoy pothos. I have the golden pothos, the common variety, as well as the manjula pothos. So this is the neon pothos, and this is my Cryptosedum, and look at it coloring up. The autumn sun is helping it to color up. And yes, this is all that remains of my Cryptosedum after the harsh monsoon. But the best part is we can just break a leaf and put it into the soil, and yes, it is going to grow into a new individual plant. That is the best part about Cryptosedum. See, and as it gets the sun, the more pink it is going to turn into. This is what I love about succulents. It's green, but when the conditions are favorable, it's going to change color. So this brings me to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it's bye-bye from all of us here at Plants Crush It, Cooking and More.